What is up? I remember when I first started in crypto I had no money to invest. Then I discovered airdrops and everything changed. Let me show you exactly what I did. I have been in your shoes, trying to figure out how to get started with crypto without breaking the bank. But when I stumbled upon airdrops, it was like a whole new world opened up. I was able to earn free tokens, and I'm not talking about just a few dollars, I'm talking about real money. Like the $50 I got from the Avalanche airdrop. Now, I know what you're thinking, how did I do it? And more importantly, how can you do it too? That's what I'm here to show you today. My credibility when it comes to airdrops is backed by my own experiences. I've been doing this for months now, and I've never had a withdrawal fail. In fact, I've earned over $450 from airdrops alone. I want to show you proof, so you can see that this is real. Check out this withdrawal screenshot, $450 earned, and it's all thanks to airdrops. Now, let's talk about what airdrops are. Simply put, airdrops are when a cryptocurrency project distributes free tokens to its community. It's a way for them to generate buzz and get people excited about their project. And the best part is, it's free. You don't have to pay anything to participate. All you need is a wallet, and in this case, I use Coinbase Wallet. Now, let's get into the step-by-step guide on how to join Ethereum airdrops using Coinbase Wallet. Step 1, download and install the Coinbase Wallet app. Step 2, create a new wallet and make sure to save your seed phrase in a safe place. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, as this can compromise your wallet's security. Step 3, head over to the Ethereum network and find the airdrop you want to participate in. Make sure to only use official links, and never participate in airdrops that ask for upfront payment. I want to stop here for a second because this is super important. Never participate in an airdrop that asks for payment. This is a major red flag, and it's likely a scam. Now, let's talk about some pro tips to improve your eligibility for airdrops. One thing you can do is to have multiple wallets, as this can increase your chances of getting selected for an airdrop. Another thing you can do is to be active in the cryptocurrency community, as this can show that you're genuinely interested in the project. However, keep in mind that these are just estimates, and there's no guarantee that you'll get selected. When it comes to airdrops, there are some common mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is not doing your research. Make sure to read the terms and conditions, and understand what you're getting into. Another mistake is not being patient. Airdrops can take time, so don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Now, let's talk about proof and risk check. When it comes to airdrops, it's essential to verify the results. Don't just take someone's word for it, make sure to check the official website, and look for reviews from other participants. And always remember, there's no guaranteed income when it comes to airdrops. You might earn some money, but you might not. It's essential to be aware of the risks and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this all sounds too good to be true. But I'm here to tell you that it's not. I've been doing this for months, and I've never had a problem. And the best part is, it's free. You can get started today, and you can start earning free tokens. So, what are you waiting for? The link to join is in the description below. It is free, it works, and you can start today. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss my next video where I reveal even more crypto earning strategies. See you there.